MCAT Chem Phys, how to master all topics. Imagine walking into the exam confident that you can handle any Chem or Phys question thrown your way. That feeling comes from a solid plan and consistent practice. Mastering this part of the MCAT isn't about memorizing every fact but understanding how to approach questions logically. First, focus on building a strong foundation in core concepts. For chemistry, study atomic structure, periodic table trends, chemical bonding, thermodynamics, kinetics, equilibrium, acids and bases, electrochemistry, stoichiometry, and gas laws. These topics make up about 30% of the section. For physics, review atomic and nuclear phenomena, circuits, electrostatics, fluids, motion, light and optics, magnetism, thermodynamics, waves, sound, work, and energy, which cover about 25%. Organic chemistry is also important, focusing on nomenclature, stereochemistry, functional groups, reaction mechanisms, and spectroscopy. It makes up around 15% of the section. Biochemistry, which accounts for about 25%, involves enzyme activity, metabolism, amino acids, proteins, nucleic acids, carbohydrates, and lipids. Remember, understanding how these chemicals and processes relate to living systems is key. Next, sharpen your scientific reasoning skills. Know how to interpret graphs, analyze data, and apply principles to new problems. Practice applying concepts to biological scenarios, not just memorizing facts. Since you cannot use a calculator or a formula sheet during the test, memorize key formulas and constants, and practice doing calculations quickly. Use full-length practice exams to simulate real test conditions. Focus on applying your knowledge to solve problems efficiently. When reviewing, organize your study schedule to start with basic chemistry and physics, then move to organic chemistry and biochemistry. Break down complex topics into smaller parts and use resources that connect chemistry and physics to biological systems. This approach helps you see how principles work in real medical contexts. Remember, consistent practice, understanding how concepts connect, and applying them to real-world scenarios will make you confident on test day. Keep track of your progress and adjust your study plan as needed. With dedication and a clear strategy, mastering all Chem and Phys topics becomes achievable.